It's about 11:30, quarter 12 at night. See, it's really getting pretty nasty out here. I've already shoveled out here once, but you know, I'm thinking of maybe doing a little more shoveling tonight, but I don't know. But let's see how deep it's getting. Those are my feet. Sorry if I made you dizzy. Here, I'll show you those footprints again. I don't know if you can tell the depth, but there's probably about another 4 inches or so at least. Oh well. Can't even see out the sunroom door anymore. More later. Bye.